How to send photos on Instagram message. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. So the first method is open up your gallery application. Now select the photo you want to share. Now tap on share. Now find Instagram. Now select Instagram chats. Now tap on send. Now the next method is go back to the home screen. Now open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on message icon at the top right corner. Now open up your chat. Now tap on gallery at the bottom right section. Now select your photo and tap on send. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.